Practicing collocations through reading. Hello, English language learners. Welcome to another exciting video on learning advanced vocabulary and collocations. In this video, we will be exploring the topic of practicing collocations through reading. Reading is an excellent way to enhance your language skills and deepen your understanding of collocations. So, let's dive right in. Reading is an essential activity for language learners, especially when it comes to improving your understanding and usage of collocations. When you read extensively, you expose yourself to a wide range of vocabulary and collocations in various contexts. This exposure helps you become more familiar with natural language patterns and how words are commonly used together. The benefits of practicing collocations through reading include 1. Contextual learning. Reading allows you to encounter collocations in their natural context, which helps you understand how words combine to form meaningful phrases or expressions. 2. Vocabulary expansion. By reading extensively, you expose yourself to new vocabulary and collocations, expanding your language repertoire and enabling you to express yourself more effectively. 3. Improving language fluency. Regular reading enhances your fluency by exposing you to different sentence structures and collocations, making your speech and writing more natural and coherent. Now that we understand the importance of reading for practicing collocations, let's explore some strategies to make the most out of your reading practice. 1. Choose appropriate reading material. Select books, articles, or online resources that match your language proficiency level. Start with materials that are slightly challenging but still enjoyable to read. This way, you can encounter new collocations without feeling overwhelmed. 2. Highlight collocations. As you read, highlight or underline collocations that catch your attention. This helps you identify recurring patterns and remember them for future use. You can also keep a separate notebook to jot down these collocations along with their meanings and example sentences. 3. Analyze collocations in context. Look for collocations in the text and pay attention to how they contribute to the overall meaning. Consider the words that often occur together and the impact they have on the sentence or passage. This analysis will deepen your understanding of collocations and how they function within a sentence. 4. Use collocations in sentences. After encountering new collocations, practice using them in your own sentences. This active engagement reinforces your learning and helps you internalize the collocations. Try to incorporate them into your speaking and writing to make them a natural part of your language use. Apart from traditional books and articles, there are other resources that can assist you in practicing collocations through reading. 1. Online news articles. News websites provide a wealth of reading material with up-to-date information. Reading news articles exposes you to various collocations used in different contexts, ranging from politics and technology to health and lifestyle. 2. Blogs and magazines. Explore blogs and online magazines related to your interests. These sources offer a more informal and conversational style of writing, which often includes common collocations used in everyday language. 3. English language novels. Reading novels written in English can be a delightful way to improve your language skills. Novels offer rich narratives and dialogues that expose you to a wide range of vocabulary and collocations while keeping you engaged in the story. Congratulations! You have learned about the importance of practicing collocations through reading and discovered strategies to maximize your learning experience. Remember to choose appropriate reading material, highlight collocations, analyze them in context, and actively use them in your own sentences.